Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about chapter 3 matrices. First, matrix. What is matrix? Matrix is the rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions. Again, matrix is the rectangular arrangement of numbers or function. Suppose I have 4 numbers, let 1, 2, 3, 4. If I arrange these 4 numbers in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the square bracket, then it is said to a matrix. It must be rectangular arrangement. It number can be put in square bracket also, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these two are the matrices. Here numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 are remain same, but arrangements are different. So these are the different matrices. Now if we consider the matrix A, then in this matrix A there are 2 rows, let R1 and this one is a R2, and there are 2 columns C1 and C2. So order of this matrix, that is nothing but order is the number of row and number of column present in matrix. So here there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Same way in the matrix B there are only 1 row and 4 column C1, C2, C3 and C4. So order of this matrix is said to be 1 cross 4. Next, if we write matrix, if we need to write the matrix in general form, then it is in the form A11, A12, A13 up to A1n. It means that in this matrix there are n columns, A21, A22, A23 up to A2n. If we write mth row, AM1, AM2, AM3, AMn. So order of this matrix is now m cross n. Matrix is generally denoted by capital alphabet. Matrix is generally denoted by capital alphabet. Now in this matrix A there are m rows and n columns. So order of this matrix is m cross n. First number of rows and second is the number of columns. General way, any element that is in the form Aij. It means that this Aij, it means element in ith row and in jth column. So matrix can be written in general way also, Aij m cross n. This indicates that in the matrix A there are m rows and n columns. Let I consider another matrix X. Elements 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 7, 2, 9, 3. In this matrix there are 3 rows, R1, R2 and R3, and there are 3 columns C1 let, C2 and the C3. Now from this matrix, if we need to write the element, then first element A11, that is nothing but element in the first row and first column, that is here 1. So A11 is equals to 1. Then A12, first row second column, that is here 2. A13 is equals to 0. A21 minus 1, A22 5, A23 is equals to 7. Next, A31, third row, first column, that element is 2. A32 is equals to 9 and A33 is equals to 3. Again, matrix is the rectangular arrangement of numbers. Number of row and column in a matrix, that is called the order of the matrix. And we can write matrix in this general way: A is equals to Aij m cross n. Now again, in any matrix, if number of rows and number of columns are equal, if number of rows is equals to number of column, then that matrix is said to be square matrix. That matrix is said to be square matrix. For an example, if we write a matrix of the order 2 cross 2, 2 row and 2 column, -1 0 1 2, this is a matrix of the order 2 cross 2. Another example, 3 cross 3 matrix, 5 7 3 2 1 0 0 -1 2. In this matrix there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So next, if we consider 4 cross 4 matrix, then 1 0 -1 2 2 5 7 9, 4 rows, 3 8 1 0 7 9 5 3. So this is of the order 4 cross 4. Similarly, we can write a matrix of the order 1 cross 1. In this matrix there are only one element, 1, let 1 cross 1. Another matrix, let we consider X, only element is -1. Okay, so these are the example of square matrix. Now in the square matrix, element in square matrix, element Aij for I is equals to j, all the elements, that is Aij for I is equals to j, these elements are said to be diagonal element. These elements are said to be diagonal elements. For an example, I consider -1 0 2 5, this matrix, then in this matrix -1 5, these two are the diagonal elements and this is called the diagonal. Another 1 0 2 1 5 7 3 4 8. So in this matrix diagonal elements are 1 5 8. So diagonal element, that is A11 A22 A33 A44, like that one. Similarly, general form is a ANN or AMM. Next, in any matrix, if there is only one row, then it is said to be row matrix. Next one is a row matrix. These are the some types of matrices. We are here discussing some types of the matrices. Row matrix, that means only one row. For an example, let A is equals to 1 0 3. So in this matrix there is only one row and 3 columns. So this is the row matrix. So order of row matrix, that is always in the form 1 cross n. Similarly, column matrix, if in any matrix there is only one column, then it is said to be a column matrix. For an example, let matrix X is equals to 7 2 3. Now in this matrix there are 3 rows and 1 column. Order of column matrix, that is always in the form m cross 1. Row matrix is also called horizontal matrix. Column matrix is also called vertical matrix. Next one is a zero matrix. In any matrix, if all elements are 0, if Aij 0, all Aij 0 for, then it is said to be zero matrix. For an example, if we consider 2 cross 2 matrix 0 0, if we consider 0 0 0, in this one 2 rows and 3 columns, this is the order 2 cross 2. So this one is a zero matrix. All element must be equals to 0. Next one is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means if in a square matrix, in the square matrix, if all the elements other than diagonal elements are 0, then that matrix is said to be diagonal matrix. For an example, we consider a 3 cross 3 diagonal matrix. 3 cross 3 matrix, it is diagonal if it is in the form 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 5. This one is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Here diagonal elements are non-zero and remaining elements are 0. If we consider 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 0 0 3. Okay. Next one is a square matrix. In the diagonal element, again in the diagonal matrix, if all diagonal elements are same, then that matrix is said to be scalar matrix. Sorry, here it is a scalar matrix. We are discussing about now scalar matrix. So let's consider a 3 cross 3 matrix, all element 0 5 0 0 0 5. This is of the order 3 cross 3. Another lat minus 1 0 0 minus 1. So these two are the scalar matrix. Next one is the identity matrix. It is generally denoted by capital I. Identity matrix. In the scalar matrix, if diagonal elements are equals to 1, if these elements are 1, then it is said to be identity matrix. If we write identity matrix of the order 2 cross 2, then it is in the form 1 0 0 1. If we write 3 cross 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is of the order 3 cross 3. Okay. Next one is a, now let we have two matrices A and B. They are said to be equal if equality of the matrices. Now we are discussing. Let we have the first matrix, let 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this matrix there are 6 elements. Next, same order let we consider, but and elements also same, but if we arrange the elements in different way, 1 3 2 6 4 5, both the matrices A and B are of the order 3 cross 3, elements equal, but the arrangements are different, so they are not the equal matrices. So condition for the equal matrices is order must be equal and corresponding element must be same. For an example, let matrix A 1 2 3 4 and matrix B 1 2 3 4, then these two matrices are said to be equal. Again, let we consider another example. Let matrix X is equals to A 1 2 5 and another matrix Y 0 1 2 5. If it is given that these two are the equal matrices, then if X is equals to Y is given, then here we can write A is equals to 0. Again, first let's recap. First one is the matrix. Matrix is nothing but it is the rectangular arrangement of numbers or function. We can arrange the numbers in either square bracket or in the open bracket. This one is the general form of the matrix, m row and n columns. Next is the order of the matrix, number of rows and number of columns present in any matrix, number of rows and number of columns. Now next is the square matrix, number of rows is equal to number of column, then that is said to be a square matrix. Next one is a diagonal element in the square matrix, elements in the form Aij I is equals to j, then that elements are said to be diagonal elements. Next is the row matrix. If in any matrix there is only one row, then that matrix is said to be row matrix. Column matrix, in any matrix if there is only one column, then that matrix is said to be column matrix. Zero matrix, if all the elements are zero in any matrix, then that matrix is said to be zero matrix. Diagonal matrix, in the square matrix, if elements other than diagonal elements are zero, then that matrix is said to be diagonal matrix. Then scalar matrix, in the diagonal matrix, if diagonal elements are equal, then it is said to be scalar matrix. Identity matrix, if in the scalar matrix, if diagonal elements are 1, then it is said to be identity matrix. It is in the form 1 0 0 1. If we write 3 cross 3 matrix, then 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Next is a equality of the matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal. Condition 1, the order must be equal, and second, corresponding elements must be equal. Now in the next video we will solve the exercise number 3.1. Thank you.